Very good evening, everyone. Today, what we are going to cover is, of course, we'll do a lot of speaking. आप हमेशा कहते हो ना कि मैम vocabulary नहीं मिल रही है, sentences नहीं मिल रहे हैं. So today, we will focus on vocabulary and sentences. We will have topic related vocabulary. So कुछ topics है which I have designed for you all. And उसके related vocabulary and sentences I have brought for all of you. And of course, idioms हमारा जो हमेशा रहता है. So the first topic today we are going to understand or know vocabulary about is hometown. Hometown की बात करें तो these are some vocabularies जो आप यूज कर सकते हो when you're talking about your hometown. So I want you to raise your hand and I want you to read the content on the screen. Vinisa is very active. जैसे मैं बोलती हूँ रेज योर हैंड सबसे पहले उसी का हैंड आता है. वेरी गुड विनीसा. यस विनीसा, स्पीक.
First, community. The sense of community in my hometown is what makes it feel like home.
Very
Second,
good.
nostalgia. Every time I visit, a wave of nostalgia hits me as I walk down the old streets. Heritage. My home is rich in heritage with festivals celebrating in culture story. Fourth, roots. I love exploring my roots and learning about the traditions of my hometown. Fifth, familiarity. The familiarity of my hometown brings me comfort no matter where I travel.
Very nice. Good reading. Very good, Vanessa. So, everyone, I want one more person to read this again properly, and Parul is the second person. Yes, Parul.
Community. The sense of community in my hometown is what makes it feel like home. Nostalgia.
Nostalgia. It is nostalgia.
Nostalgia. Every time I visit, a wave of nostalgia hits me as I walk down the old streets. Heritage. My hometown is rich in heritage with festivals celebrating its culture history.
Okay.
Roots. I love exploring my roots and learning about traditions of my hometown. Familiarity. The familiarity of my hometown brings me comfort no matter where I travel.
Okay, fair enough. Nice reading. Okay, so I just want now all of you to talk bit in detail about the hometown. Not in words, but in 2-minute talk. Okay, now it is a 2-minute talk time. So who would like to talk for 2 minutes? See, it is not compulsory कि आप यही शब्द use करो, यही words use करो. Not compulsory, but yes, it is good if you use them. Okay, so you can just put your hands down and only raise your hand if you want to give a 2-minute talk on this topic. Okay, so I see Neelam is there intact. And yes, Neelam, you can please unmute and talk about your hometown. Okay, and your 2-minute
Good evening, ma'am.
starts now. Yes, good evening.
Hometown. My hometown is Haryana, Bhiwani. It is a very beautiful place as it is a small
Yeah, then talk more about your place. What do you have there? People have a lot of jobs. There are good schools. How is it? Which are the places to visit? Which is the food that you have there? Your staple food?
okay. Bhiwani is a district. There are so many villages under it. It is
Hmm.
a beautiful place. There is a lot of calmness everywhere. So many villages are attached to it. The atmosphere of Bhiwani is very calm. Uh, the people speak Haryanvi, Punjabi, and some belongs to other communities also. The staple food of Haryana is dal chawal, roti. Uh, there are so many places to visit. The most famous place in Bhiwani is Devsar Mandir, which belongs to Mata Vaishno Devi, and um, every time in Navratri, lots of people from different states visit Devsar Mandir to seek blessings of Mata Rani. And
Yeah, you have very few seconds. What is the traditional
uh,
cloth they wear? Oh, there. See, the time is up. Very good. Very good. Okay.
okay,
Very
thank
nicely
you,
tried.
thank
नीलम
you.
कहाँ से कौन से स्टेट से कौन से सिटी से हो आप?
मैम हरियाणा भिवानी.
ओके हरियाणा से ओके फेयर एनफ चलिए गुड गुड
Yes,
ट्राई
ma'am.
सो पीपल एवरीवन लिसन जब आप होम टाउन की बात करो ना तो व्हाट यू हैव टू टेल इज सबसे पहले तो यू हैव टू से वेदर द होम टाउन इज यू नो सिटी एरिया और यू नो विलेज एरिया उसको हम ये भी कह सकते हैं कि कंट्री साइड और सिटी साइड कंट्री साइड मीन्स इट्स अर्बन एरिया सॉरी विलेज एरिया एंड सिटी साइड इज द डेवलप्ड एरिया ओके सेकेंडली आपको ये बताना है कि वहाँ पे एजुकेशन सिस्टम कैसी है यू हैव गुड स्कूल्स गुड कॉलेजेस फिर आपको ये बताना है कि यू हैव गुड जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज देयर और नॉट ओके देन आपको ये बताना है कि वहाँ पे हिस्टोरिकल प्लेसेस कौन कौन सी है जो हम विजिट कर सके ओके और फिर आपको ये बताना है कि वहाँ पे स्टेपल फूड जो वहाँ का प्रॉपर ईटेबल फूड आइटम्स होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं लोग कौन सी भाषा बोलते हैं कौन से अटायर्स पहनते हैं कपड़े पहनते हैं फाइन और बस ये आपको बताना है और आप वहाँ पे क्यों अटैच्ड हो वाई आर यू अटैच टू योर होम टाउन आपको ये बताना है ठीक है तो ये सारी चीजें बतानी है व्हेन योर टॉपिक इज अबाउट होम टाउन और ये वोकैबुलरी जो आपके स्क्रीन पे है आप उसको यूज कर सकते हो व्हेन यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट योर होम टाउन सो एनीवन वुड लाइक टू टॉक raise your hand if you want to talk other than Vanessa. Vanessa is very good speaker. She gives good talks. But yeah, I want other. Okay, I see Munira. Yes, Munira, please speak.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good
Um,
evening.
my hometown name is Dhar, which is located in is MP, Madhya Pradesh.
Mhm.
Uh, this is a district area of lots of village, lots of small villages, and this
Hmm.
is a district
Hmm.
of MP.
Hmm.
And there are many places to visit to my hometown,
Hmm.
and it's a Raja Bhoj Nagri. It's called Raja Bhoj Nagri,
Hmm.
and staple food was normal food, which was normal dal chawali or this is like, and I attached with my hometown because I born there, and whenever I see when I born in but when when I born there, this is not developed area, but
Hmm.
now I see after 20 years, this is a well developed area and lots of schools and colleges to study.
Hmm.
And it's a very mm, good place, and near it is a historical place of this called Mandu.
Hmm.
It is a very famous Malwas place, and heritage buildings there, lots of killas, and very beautiful place nearby Dhar.
Hmm.
and I'm very proud of to born of
Very
this
nice. Very
place.
good try. Very good. You gave a lot of in detail. Very nice. Keep it up. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. I would now go to the next topic and let me see who speaks good in the next topic. Okay, let us take a new topic now. तो hometown of समझ गए अच्छे से? Really good, really good. You all are doing very nice. चलिए. The other thing that I have picked up is festivals. Okay, so let us see first the vocabulary that you can use when you're talking about festivals. So these are the vocabularies. And yeah, I want your hands who would like to read them. I already have the hands and I pick up Nidhi. Yes, Nidhi.
हेलो गुड इवनिंग मैम।
Very good evening, Nidhi.
मैम इसको सिर्फ रीड करना है कि इससे रिलेटेड बोलना है?
अभी आप पहले रीड करो, उसके बाद आप बोलना भी जरूर। 2 मिनट टॉक, उसके
ओ,
बाद करिएगा। पहले आप रीड करो।
ओके मैम।
हम्म
ओके मैम।
हम्म,
फेस्टिवल celebration. The annual celebration attracted thousands of visitors eager to join in the fun.
ओके एक
Tradition.
मिनट निधि, एक मिनट। इट इज celebration. TION is शन. Okay, so we
Okay
pronounce it
मैम।
as celebration. Okay, yeah.
ओके मैम।
Then
नेक्स्ट ट्रेडिशन।
no, again
Each
shun.
year the
TION. No, Nidhi, again it is TION. See, so it will be shun. Tradition.
okay tradition.
Sure.
Each year the festival honors local traditions that have been passed down for generations.
Okay.
Gathering. The festival was a wonderful gathering of friends and families from the community. Performance. The festival featured amazing performance including music, dance and theatre. Fireworks. The night ended with a spectacular firework display that lit up the sky.
Nice. Now you can talk on the topic and you can pick up the words, vocabularies given in which are on the screen. And your 2 minute starts now.
Okay. I live in Varanasi. Here many festivals are celebrated according to the traditions. Here we worship God Shiv. So we celebrated here Shivratri and Kavariya, Sawan. These are the most celebrations are here. Many performances are given by the performer on the ghats. There, here is 80 ghats like Dasa Sumer Ghat and Assi Ghat. Many performances are given in the Assi Ghats, and at the day after the Diwali comes the Dev Deepavali. Here many fireworks. मैम कंफ्यूज हो गए।
It's okay. Try. अच्छे से बोल रहे हो. Very good. अब बोलो. Yeah. Fireworks. You have a lot of fireworks. Yeah. Don't give up. Speak.
Fireworks display that lit up the sky and it looks so beautiful. And in the month of Sawan, there are many gatherings come here for the मैम जल चढ़ाने को क्या बोलेंगे?
That's okay. चलो. That's good try. Very good try. बस ऐसे try करिए. You will surely grow. Very good. Nice. You just have कितने
Thank you,
seconds
ma'am.
बाकी बताओ? Just 20 seconds बाकी रहे. But चलो कोई ना. Very good. Okay. Now let me pick up another person. Ishika, I see a new hand of yours. Yes, Ishika. Your
हेलो
time
मैम।
starts now. Ishika,
Yes,
कहाँ से हो आप?
okay.
कौन से स्टेट से हो आप?
चेन्नई मैम।
You're from Chennai. Okay.
Yeah.
Your time starts now.
So okay, my favorite festival is Holi, and this is also called as Festival of Colors because we apply colors to all our near and dear ones. Before the festival of Holi, one day prior, we have Holika Dahan, in which we light up with the sticks of wooden sticks. We light up the fire in between it, and we bury all our negative emotions, hatred towards each other, jealousy, all those negative feelings, and we happily accept each other's flaws, and even if they have committed mistakes, we accept them. And in the next day we celebrate with fun, love, laughter, and we have a lot of snacks in between. The occasion goes on for 5 to 6 hours,
Hmm.
including all the kids, youngsters, and the old people. Everybody loves to enjoy this festival.
Hmm.
And and also we have dance, singing, many other competitions as well to lighten up our moods and have fun.
Oh, you just
Thank
have
you.
very few seconds. If you can stretch up, 20 seconds are left.
Oh,
Hmm. So you can
that's
say
it.
that these days we play with, the colors which does not harm our skin. We are very careful about also saving water. We just play with the dry colors where we save water also, isn't it? So these things you
Yeah.
can add up. Yeah, but very good try. Very nice.
Thank
Very good. Very good. Keep it up. Very good. Okay. Anybody else who would like to talk about the festival? Anybody else who would like to talk about festival, or should I pick up another topic? Huh, Vanessa. Okay, Vanessa. I allow you. Yeah. Speak.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Oh, you have a question? Tell me.
Ma'am, marriage will also come in a festival.
Sorry, which one?
Marriage will also come in a festival.
No, it is a social gathering, social custom, ritual. Marriage is not a festival. Festivals are the, happenings that happen every year. Okay, like we play Holi every year, then we celebrate Diwali every year. So marriage is not a festival, but yeah, we celebrate it at a social end. It is a social gathering. Okay, not a festival.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I would ask Sheetal. Yes, Sheetal. Which state? Which place? First, tell me that, Sheetal.
Good evening, ma'am.
Very good evening,
I'm
Sheetal.
from Jharkhand.
Jharkhand. Okay, great. So your time starts now.
Okay. My favorite festival is Diwali because I was born on Diwali.
Oh, really? That's great.
And I like Diwali because we make so many rangoli
Hmm.
houses and we put up lights on Diwali,
Hmm.
and also we make sweets, and we in our house we do puja on Diwali
Hmm.
in a shop.
Hmm.
That's why I like Diwali so much,
Hmm.
and many more festivals, but Diwali is more
Okay, so
favorite.
what happens is, Sheetal, you say, see, we draw rangoli with different colors and we cook different delicacies, okay, different sweets, different snacks, okay.
Yes,
Now, when it is a
yes,
2-minute talk now, so you can also start from the days when you do the cleaning. Before the
yeah,
festival of Diwali, we thoroughly clean our house. And the motive behind this is to shed away all the negative energy and to
yeah,
welcome the new year with lot of lights, cleanliness, warmth.
yes,
Scientifically, you can say that because of this cleaning, we save ourselves from very dangerous diseases. Once in a
yes,
year, cleaning a house. So, ऐसे आपको story बुनते जाना है till 2 minutes is over. But yeah, you
ye-
spoke good. Very nice. Good
yes.
try.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Uh, So, people, everybody over here, when it is about talking, so you have to be a storyteller. You have to, जैसे हम कहानी बताते हैं ना, वैसे आपको बतानी है. चलो, now I have शिव कुमारी. Yes, please speak, शिव कुमारी. कौन से स्टेट से हो आप? कौन से सिटी से हो आप?
Yes, ma'am. Good evening. I'm from Amarkantak, Madhya Pradesh.
Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, your time starts now.
Okay.
Hmm.
Ma'am, I'm from Amarkantak. So this place is a starting point of Narmada River. So we are celebrating every year Narmada Jayanti, and
Very nice.
government is
Hmm.
also organized so many programs here, and this area is also uh, to, related to a tribal area,
Hmm.
and we are celebrating Narmada Jayanti, and Maha Aarti is also organized here government,
Hmm.
and so many lot of program.
अच्छा, हर
यहाँ
बार ना
होते हैं
so
मैम।
many नहीं लगाते, we just say
ओके
many.
ओके
Okay, so many is
ओके
a
मैम।
different frame, but you just say many. We do many. फिर उसको synonym में आप लो lot of. Okay.
ओके
Hmm.
lot of coward
Hmm.
every Sawan come in Amarkantak and
Hmm.
take a Narmada Jal, take
Hmm.
Narmada Jal and
Hmm.
and go to the Jaleshwar Dham.
Hmm. Hmm. Okay, so you have some more seconds if you want to talk. Now you can talk about the schools, you can talk about the health facility. Oh, sorry. आप festival बोल रहे हो
Here
ना,
is
sorry. So फिर
yes,
आप do you have the fireworks or do you cook
yeah,
special
lot of
delicacies?
people
Hmm.
come in Amarkantak and they are enjoy here environment of natural beauty
Hmm.
and this is Amarkantak is a very beautiful place and it's a tourist place, ma'am.
Okay, that's great. So your 2 minutes is over.
Yes,
Very good try. Very good. Nice.
thank you.
Yeah. Let me pick up another topic. Let me pick up another vocabulary now. So culture we are going to talk about. पहले आपने फेस्टिवल पे बोला, अब आप बोलोगे कल्चर के बारे में. नाउ vocabulary पहले पढ़ो उसकी. And I want both these hands down. आपके टर्न हो चुके हैं. Please don't raise your hand once your turn is over. And I want new hands. अगर आप hand raise नहीं करोगे तो I will pick you up. I'll just pick up anybody to speak. So it's better you raise your hand. चलो, कौन बोलेगा? Who will read this? Who would read this? Not Vanessa. Vanessa, please allow others to do that. Yeah, Hanur, yes. I unmute you, Hanur, yes. Which city? You have to say and then start.
Ma'am, I am from Punjab.
Punjab, okay. So you can now read the words first.
Diversity. The city's cultural diversity enriches the community with a variety of traditions and cuisines. Heritage. The museum showcases artifacts that highlight the region's rich cultural heritage. Customs. Local customs play a significant role in shaping the identity of the community. Tradition. Every year, families gather to celebrate traditions that have been passed down through generations. Artistry. The festival highlighted the artistry of local craftspeople and performers celebrating their unique talents.
Okay. So now would you like to talk on 2 minutes for the given topic, culture?
So, ma'am, I would like to prepare it.
Okay. So I mute you. Good reading. Now let me see who would like to talk for 2 minutes on the given topic. You need to raise your hand. You are going to talk about culture. So you need to talk about, जैसे touching the feet of our elders is one of our culture. So what are the other cultures? As per your own custom, as per your own tradition. You need to talk for 2 minutes. Who would talk about on this topic? Shall I pick up anybody? Shall I pick up anybody now or would you raise your hand? Okay, in that case, let me take another topic first. Let me first cover the topics. Goals. These are the vocabulary. I'm sure this would be a much easier topic. And please raise your hand, the ones who would like to read. If you're not raising, let me pick up. Chalo. Janki, I have a person. Janki. Janki, please read. Unmute yourself, Janki. Okay, I have new hand over here. It says Asma. Yes, Asma. Asma, unmute yourself. अनम्यूट करिए. आपने म्यूट वापस म्यूट कर दिया. चलो अनम्यूट करो फटाफट.
Hello, good evening, ma'am.
गुड इवनिंग. कहाँ से हो आप अस्मा?
I am Telangana, ma'am.
तेलंगाना.
Nalgonda.
Okay. Yeah, read. Come on.
Goals. Achievement. Reaching her goal of running a marathon was a significant achievement for her. Ambitions. His ambition to start his own business drove him to work long hours. Aspiration. Her aspiration to become a doctor inspired her to excel in her studies. Objectives. Setting clear objectives is essential for staying focused on your goals. Motivation. Having a strong motivation can make all the differences in achieving your goals.
Okay,
Thank you.
great, great. So would you like to talk for 2 minutes on this topic? Goals पे बात करना चाहोगे? Okay, she's already muted herself. Nidhi has got a turn. Shiv Kumari has got a turn. Vanessa is always a good speaker. Let me pick up a person who is not talking. People, raise your hand. It's easy for me to, filter you if you raise your hand. Or else I'll pick up anybody. I have a person over here named. Okay. Have I got any new hands? No. Let me lower their hands first so that I just get a new hand. Okay, Sangeeta, I've got your new hand. Yes, Sangeeta, your 2 minutes. Sangeeta, quickly unmute yourself. Come on. Unmute करिए.
Yes, ma'am. I am from Assam.
Assam, beautiful place.
Yes.
Your time starts now.
I just need to read out, right?
No, you need to speak on the goals. You have to speak on the topic goals for 2 minutes. It's a 2-minute talk.
Do I need to speak about my future goal or something
Yeah,
like
you
that?
can tell about your goals. You can also say why goals are important. You can say what happens if a person is not having a goal in life. So you have to talk about it for 2 minutes.
Ma'am, I'm not that prepared. Okay, then also
No, it's
I'm going to
okay.
speak.
Whatever you can talk,
Actually,
don't worry. Whatever you can
yes.
talk, just talk. Don't worry about the time. Just talk.
Right now my goal has changed. I just want to. I'm pursuing course in mental health counseling. As as my postpartum after my postpartum delivery, I thought of pursuing a course in mental health counseling, since women experience postpartum depression mainly after delivery. So I just want to be a healer for all those postpartum depression women, and I just want to take this as my future career option. And then this is my niche, and I just want to help those women out and make their living easy and choose a wonderful life ahead, and embracing motherhood with grace and
Very nice. Continue.
with grace
Yeah.
and love, with grace
Hmm.
and love. Apart from this, I have my interest in holistic health approaches like yoga. I practice yoga, meditation, and EFT. So these are my career options apart from this.
Very nice. Very nice. Good talk. Very good. You spoke for
Okay.
around almost all the time. 30 seconds are left, but it's okay. I pause it. Nice.
Okay, ma'am.
But you
Okay, ma'am.
have to.
Thank you so much. Okay, for giving me
Right.
this opportunities.
Welcome. Welcome. Okay, let me just pick up another person who would talk. People, there are so many college students who can talk on goals. Why you need to have a goal, why it is important, what happens if you don't have a goal. Okay, ये सारी चीजों पे आप कह सकते हो when it is about goal. So please, who would be there to talk about goal? Come on. Anybody? Okay, in that case, let me pick up Vedant. Vedant, please unmute and talk. I have Vedant in my session. Vedant Santosh. अनम्यूट करके बोलिए. ट्राई टू टॉक, एटलीस्ट आप ट्राई करो. Okay, in that case, I have Yash. Yash, please unmute and quickly talk. Come on. फिर आप खाली क्लास अटेंड करोगे, बोलोगे नहीं तो नहीं कर पाओगे. यू विल नॉट अंडरस्टैंड इंग्लिश. यस यश, बोलो.
गुड इवनिंग मैम.
गुड इवनिंग यश. कहाँ से हो आप?
बारामती.
ओके, बोलिए यश, गोल के बारे में क्या कहना है आपका?
Goals, achievements, reaching her goal of running a marathon was a significant achievement for her.
सिग्निफिकेंट अचीवमेंट फॉर हर. वेरी गुड. ओके, रीड करिए. चलिए नेक्स्ट रीड करिए.
एम्बिशन. ambition.
Yeah,
His
ambition.
ambition to
Hmm.
start his own business
Hmm.
drove him to work long hours.
Hmm.
Aspiration.
Yeah.
His aspiration to become a doctor inspired her
Hmm.
to excel in her studios.
Hmm.
Objective.
Hmm.
Setting clear objective is essential for staying focused on our goals.
Okay.
Motivation.
Hmm.
Having a strong motivation can make all the difference in achieving your goals.
Very good. So यश क्या करते हो आप?
मैम मैं लास्ट ईयर टीवाई ग्रेजुएशन.
टी वाई ग्रेजुएशन. वेरी गुड. अभी आप गोल के बारे में बोलना चाहोगे थोड़ा सा? इफ नॉट 2 मिनट्स, जितना बोल सको उतना ट्राई करोगे?
ओके.
चलो बताओ, गोल क्यों इंपॉर्टेंट है? व्हाई शुड वन हैव अ गोल?
Goals important for
चलिए कोई बात नहीं, जस्ट प्रिपेयर इट. ओके, अपनी आवाज रिकॉर्ड करिएगा, प्रिपेयर करिएगा. नाउ आई एम मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक ऑफ द डे. इंडोर गेम्स के वर्ड्स हैं ये. एंड इंडोर गेम्स कौन पढ़ना चाहेगा बताइए. चलिए, I want people to raise your hand. I want new hands. I'm not picking up the ones those who have got a turn. ओके, निधि को भी मिल गई है टर्न. निधि को भी नहीं मिलेगी टर्न. विनिसा, नहीं मिलेगी आपको टर्न. आई वॉन्ट न्यू पीपल टू रेज योर हैंड. वी हैव अ पर्सन नेम्ड Java. We have Abhishek. We have Alina. There's so many. Okay, I have new one. R G Neha. Okay, unmute and talk quickly. Yeah, speak. कहाँ से हो आप?
जी.
ओके, रीड करिए.
Yeah. Chess requires a lot of strategy and critical thinking to outsmart outsmart your opponent. Opponent. Competition. The indoor game tournament was a finally competition of local teams. Teamwork. Playing board game fosters teamwork as players must score brawl to win.
आपकी आवाज थोड़ी कट हो रही थी. Where are you? Have you muted yourself or what? Okay. I have a student named Alina. Sorry. Sorry, people. Yeah, Jasprit, great to see your hand. चलिए, read करिए.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Very good evening.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks for giving me this opportunity. I'm actually waiting for a long time. I don't know how to raise my hand. That's why I lost the chances. Now I get this point.
Now you got
Okay,
it.
ma'am.
Great.
Yeah. Thanks. Indoor games, strategies. This requires a lots of strategies and critical thinking to outsmart your opponents. Competitions, the indoor games tournament was a friendly competition among local teams. Teamwork. Playing board game fosters teamwork as players must collaborate to win. Skill. Many indoor games like darts requires a certain level of skills to master. Inter, entertainment. Indoor games. Entertainment. Sorry. Indoor games provide great entertainments of rainy days when outdoor activities are not possible. So now I have to read. I have to prepare my thesis, and I will speak. Just give me some time, ma'am.
Okay. So you want to speak now or after some time?
Can you give me 2 minutes? Then I will speak.
Coach, I'll pick up another student. तब तक आप plan कर लो. चलो, I would pick up quickly another person. I have over here the name of the student. No, Asma, you have got a turn. I have Hira that is Assam. I have Rafta ma'am में है that person that says again Hiran May. Please unmute quickly and बोलिए चलिए 2 minute talk.
Yes, ma'am. Good
कहाँ से
evening,
हो?
ma'am.
Good evening. कहाँ से हो आप?
मैं हिरणमयी दास असम गुवाहाटी से.
Assam is a very beautiful place. Yeah, चलिए
Okay,
बोलिए
ma'am.
2 minute talk on the indoor game. Your time starts now. बोलिए start.
Indoor game.
Hmm.
Indoor game strategy says required a lot of strategy and critical thinking to outsmart your opponent. Competition.
Hmm.
The indoor game tournament was a friendly competition among local terms, teamwork, playing board games, or fostered teamwork as player must collaborate to win. Skill. Many indoor games like darts require a certain level of skill level to master. Entertainment. Indoor games provide great entertainment on rainy days when outdoor activities area
Aren't possible.
are not
Outdoor
possible.
activities aren't possible. Okay, great. Nice reading. Practice करिए. I feel you're not practicing. Record नहीं कर रहे हो अपनी आवाज. है ना?
Okay,
So
ma'am.
you need to practice. You need to record your voice. Okay. I have people ready. Yes. Jaspreet, your time starts now.
Hello.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. I live in Sulandar city. First of all, I'm gonna tell you. Whenever it's a rainy day, we start to play game with our siblings, like Ludo. This is a very entertaining and interesting game. We murdered each other's. Uh, मैम उसको क्या बोलेंगे? Like जब हम इनको खेलते हैं ना.
Yeah. You can say pointers.
तो
They are the pointers. The different kind of
pointer.
pointers you have. Yes.
There is a 4 types of colors in Ludo game, and we play with 4 players. And this is very entertaining also. And we chase each other as well when playing this game. This is such a very
Interesting game.
with
You can say we have to reach a house. In the center, we have a home. We have to cross all the path, save our pointers, and reach to the house. Okay, then.
Okay, sometimes we enjoy to play with teamwork as well, because when we play with the teamwork, we enjoy it a lot, because we are the competition of another players.
Yeah.
So this is such a very interesting. We play music. Then when we win, then I win the game. Then we started to enjoy and dancing as well, and eating so many delicious foods together. Whenever I got a chance to live with my family, I played different types of games and enjoy with my parents and my
Okay.
family.
So your time is up. Very good. Nice. Good talk. Nice. Yeah,
Thanks, ma'am.
you could have bought, in competition, we have competition with one another, reaching home, and I play it with a strategy. I have a plan to play the game and win the game. ये सारी चीजें आप इसमें ऐसे add on कर सकते हो. Okay, let me pick up what I have next for all of you. It's time for idioms. हमारे 2 idiom आज के ये हैं on your screen. Blame one's tool. मतलब आपको खुद नहीं आता, आप किसी और को ब्लेम कर रहे हो. Okay, so it's like blaming something on someone else. Sample sentence यहाँ पे है. When he understood he had no way out of the problem, he blamed his tools. बहाने बनाना, हम बनाते हैं ना बहाने. जब हमारा काम नहीं होता है, कोई गलती करते हैं, तो हम बहुत अच्छे से बहाने बनाते हैं. तो blame one's tool. It's not a rocket science. उसका मतलब है it's not difficult. Okay. After sambar is, sorry, cooking sambar is easy. I will figure it out. After all, it is not a rocket science. आपको जो कुछ सीखना हो, आप सीख तो लेते ही हो, राइट? सो जब आप सीखते हो कोई भी इजी चीज को भी आप ले लो, कोई भी इजी चीज, सो इट्स समथिंग लाइक इट्स नॉट अ रॉकेट साइंस. इंग्लिश बोलना, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश इज नॉट अ रॉकेट साइंस. आप आराम से इंग्लिश में बात कर सकते हो. यस, कब? इफ एट ऑल यू प्रैक्टिस. Okay. Okay, people. So we pause over here for today. I just get back and I would wish you all a goodbye. Now I want you people to go to the channel. I will upload this by 8 by 9:15. मैं ये अपलोड कर दूंगी अपने चैनल पे. प्लीज जब आप ये वीडियो देखो अपने चैनल पे, डू मेक सेंटेंसेस विद द वोकैबुलरी विच यू जस्ट नाउ लर्नड. गेम्स के रिलेटेड, कल्चर के रिलेटेड, फेस्टिवल के रिलेटेड, जितने भी वोकैबुलरीज नए शब्द आपने सीखे हैं अपने चैनल पे कमेंट बॉक्स में जाके सेंटेंस जरूर बनाइएगा. ओके, दिस विल गिव यू गुड प्रैक्टिस. ओके पीपल, so it's time for you to now just revise everything. Again, we'll get back maybe on a next class, which is on Thursday. Fine. As of now, any question, you can raise your hand. I have few minutes. If you have any question, please raise your hand. I have some time. If you have any questions, you can raise your hand so that I understand. Yeah, who's it? Vanessa, you have a question. Okay, what? Unmute.
Ma'am, I have a question that badminton will also come in indoor games.
Badminton are different types, beta. There is an indoor also, there is an outdoor also. So you find out which one you want to understand. Okay, you have both the options.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, RJ Neha, what is it about? RJ Neha, unmute.
मैम मैम बीच में मेरा कनेक्शन कट गया था वो नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम की वजह से.
जी जी जी, आप बोलना चाहोगे वापस?
जी, फिर मैं वापस आ गई. मैम
बोलना.
आज मेरा फर्स्ट डे है कोर्स.
कोई बात नहीं,
स्पीकिंग
आप
क्लास.
कनेक्टेड रहिएगा, प्रैक्टिस करिएगा, यू विल गेट लॉट ऑफ टर्न टू टॉक. ओके,
तो मैम शुरू से कैसे सीख सकती हूँ?
बस अभी करेंगे हम शुरू नया बैच, आप कंटिन्यू रहिएगा. वी विल स्टार्ट द न्यू बैच सून. ठीक है, आप बस कंटिन्यू रखिए. जस्ट ज्वाइन एंड प्रैक्टिस. ओके
ओके.
या
थैंक यू मैम.
या हाँ, जसप्रीत बताइए फटाफट क्या था.
मैम आई जस्ट वांट टू आस्क कि हम अपनी स्पीकिंग को कैसे इंक्रीज कर सकते हैं. हाउ?
आप रिकॉर्डिंग करते हो? डू यू रिकॉर्ड योर वॉइस? डू यू रीड बुक्स?
नो, नॉट येट. नहीं, नो.
करो करो,
दैट्स
ये
आई एम आस्किंग कि क्या
बहुत
करूं.
इंपॉर्टेंट है. वो पता है,
ओके
हम जैसे पिज्जा सामने रखा हो तो जब तक अपने हाथ
जी.
नहीं हिलाए पिज्जा खा नहीं सकते, है ना? अब
जी
हाथ आपने
बिल्कुल.
हिला लिया, मुंह में आपने निवाला रखा, तो चबाना भी पड़ेगा ना. तो इंग्लिश
यस
क्या,
मैम.
कोई भी भाषा ऐसी है, जितना प्रैक्टिस करो उतना आप कर लोगे. प्रैक्टिस नहीं करोगे तो नहीं कर पाओगे. ओके.
Sometimes I speak very, but sometimes I don't understand what happened to me. I
डजंट मैटर,
totally
डजंट
black
मैटर,
out.
डजंट,
Yeah,
कोई ना,
that's the main thing because today is my first day of this class, so that time
नो बट आई हैव
थोड़ा
सीन, आई सीन यू वेरी ऑफन. जसप्रीत, मैं तो आपको काफी देखती हूँ सेशंस में. आप फर्स्ट तो नहीं हो,
नहीं मैम.
आपकी आज
नो
पहली
मैम.
क्लास है.
जी मैम, मैंने आज फर्स्ट डे ही ज्वाइन करा है.
तो कोई और होगा फिर जिसको मैं देखती हूँ, बिकॉज आई सी जसप्रीत कौर. बट एनीवेज, चलिए, यू
नहीं,
आर
नो,
वेलकम
टुडे इज माय
एंड
फर्स्ट डे.
स्टे कनेक्टेड.
थैंक यू.
या
मिस अ लॉट.
जी, शिव कुमारी बताइए क्या क्वेश्चन है आपका.
यस मैम, एक्चुअली मैं यही पूछना चाह रही थी जो अभी जसप्रीत मैम ने पूछा है कि कैसे हम और भी ज्यादा अपनी इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव कर सके.
रिकॉर्ड
बिकॉज
योर
मैम
ओन
मैं एक
वॉइस.
ऐसे प्लेस में रहती हूँ. जी,
बोलिए
मैं
बोलिए, क्या
ऐसे
बोल रहे
प्लेस में रहती हूँ मैम यहाँ, कि यहाँ पर ना कोई इंग्लिश बोलता ही नहीं है, सबसे ज्यादा हिंदी का ही प्रयोग
हैं?
करते हैं
हाँ,
इधर.
प्लीज तो आप अपनी आवाज खुद रिकॉर्ड करिए, और पहले एक
जी.
महीना तो कुछ अच्छी रीडिंग करिए, वोकैबुलरी
यस.
कलेक्ट करिए, सेंटेंस फ्रेमिंग करिए, इंग्लिश को चंक्स में अच्छे से बोलिए. सी, कोई रहता हो नहीं रहता हो, डजेंट मैटर. आजकल तो एप्लीकेशंस भी कितनी सारी आ गई है, तो यू कैन
यस
हैव
मैम.
एप्लीकेशंस. अभी व्हाट आई डू इज, नेक्स्ट क्लास में अब मैं आप सबको एक एप्लीकेशन दूंगी, तो वो
जी.
एप्लीकेशन आप यूज करके यू कैन इम्प्रूव योर इंग्लिश. उसमें क्या
ओके
होगा कि
मैम.
आपके सामने कोई हो या नहीं हो, The phone will help you in talking. So I
जी
give that
एंड आई
application
हैव
to all of you.
यस मैम, आई हैव अ चाइल्ड, तो मैं जो डेली बेसिस के अपने जो एक्टिविटीज और रूटीन रहते हैं घर के, तो मैं अपने चाइल्ड के साथ में भी स्पीक
कितना बड़ा
करती
है
हूँ।
आपका चाइल्ड? कितना बड़ा है?
5 ईयर, इट्स अ 5 ईयर ओल्ड मैम।
ही और शी, इट्स नहीं होता है,
ही
आई थिंक ही
हाँ,
और शी।
यस सॉरी मैम, यस।
हाँ, क्या शी है, ही है, कौन है? बॉय, गर्ल?
ही
हाँ,
ही
वेरी
बॉय।
गुड, वेरी गुड। यू टॉक टू दैट पर्सन, दैट बॉय। उसको इंग्लिश में आप भी सिखाओ, उसको भी बोलो। वेरी गुड, नाइस।
ओके।
Okay, people, it's time for to say goodbye to all of you. Stay connected. I will put this recording by 9:30, 10, 9:30 के बीच में मैं ये recording डालूंगी. When you seeing this recording, do make sentences. Bye everyone. Good night.